This is our first attempt at eating butternut squash. She doesn't really like the taste of it. It gives her the shivers. Here. Open up. Open up. See, I don't know what to think of it. You are so silly. Open up. Open up. I don't want to eat it, Mommy. Here, one more time. Did you swallow?